I see her. I'm going.
I'm going.
Poor girls shouldn't skate on professional ice. She can probably hear you. Spray oil on her blades tonight. She could get seriously hurt. Someone's coming. I need to leave now.
Good. Now nobody can beat me tomorrow.
Today's finally here. I've been waiting so long.
Your bag is ready. I packed it last night.
Dad, I couldn't sleep last night.
Big days feel like that.
She's been awake since 4:30. She's ready.
Mom, stop telling everyone that. She's gonna win. I decided already. Tom, you can't decide competitions. Are you nervous? Because I'm really nervous. Stop making me nervous, Tom. I've been dreaming about this place for years. This is so much bigger than I thought.
Stay beside me, Tom.
Focus on your own routine today.
I know, Mom. I've prepared.
Tell them I'll sign photos after my warm-up. Poor girls shouldn't skate on professional ice. She can probably hear you.
Dad, did you just hear what she said?
I heard it, Tom.
Sorry. I should have been watching where I was going. Most people just step over them.
That's not very kind. Every turn must be perfect today.
I've already won. Just watch me. You still need to warm up. Spray oil on her blades tonight. She could get seriously hurt. I shouldn't have done that. It wasn't right.
I've laced these skates so many times.
Something doesn't feel right to me out here.
Watch this. I've been waiting for this moment.
She's actually really good, but I still hate her.
Tom,
That score should be enough to win.
don't assume. Not yet.
Not.
Remember the training. Every single thing Arthur said. She looks different out there.
She looks like yes, she does. Ben!
I see her. I'm going.
I'm going?
I'm here. Don't move yet.
Dad, I didn't slip. I didn't.
That wasn't a skating mistake. She didn't fall wrong.
Strained ligament.
Not torn, but serious.
My dream is over. It's finished.
It's not over. Not even close.
There's something on this blade.
Look here, I already suspected.
So terrible, I was very worried.
She said finally. Who says finally about an accident?
Arthur, come in. It's raining out there.
I brought something for Lily.
You were actually a national champion?
Many years ago, before my accident. I can train her for the second round.
Is 4 days enough time?
I've already decided. I'm not giving up now.
Natural ice teaches what arenas cannot.
My ankle hurts when I push.
Fall and get up. That's the training today.
How many more times? I wanted to come. So I came.
Skate with this on.
Listen instead. I've never done that before.
She's still training. This is actually a problem.
Balance rails. She can practice here too.
What do I carry first? It's getting stronger. I can feel it.
Slow, Lily, not too fast. I need to tell you the truth. Come inside. You're shaking. I oiled Lily's skates. Chloe made me do it. Tell me everything.
I need the Tuesday night security footage.
The cameras were definitely recording.
The fall wasn't your fault. Someone did it.
My blades. Someone oiled them.
Your ankle is stronger. I can see that.
I feel different today.
I checked your blades. They're clean.
Tom,
She can't be here. She was injured. I told them. I confessed everything.
Don't go in there again.
I already told them. It's done. Mia told them. They have the footage now.
I'll handle it.
I've prepared for this. I know what I'm doing.
You can't actually win with a damaged ankle.
Watch me.
72.4. Can Lily even beat that score?
She just needs to skate.
This is where I'm supposed to be right now.
I can't breathe. This feels too big. She's ready. Just breathe.
She's skating differently now. She's really skating. She landed it! She actually landed it! I've been waiting for this for such a long time.
She trained through the injury. She actually came back.
74.6! She won! Lily actually won!
She won. She actually won.
You skated the way I always hoped you would.
You taught me.
I said she'd win from the start. You can't decide competitions, Tom.
Cameras recorded Tuesday night. All of it. How much to make this stop?
Truth is not for sale. Not today. Not ever.
Look at the screens! That's the proof! Turn that off right now! I oiled Lily's skates. Chloe ordered it. This isn't over. I worked hard too.
My lawyers will handle this.
You were national champion once.
Today, my student became greater than me.
I'm so proud of you. I always have been.
I know, Mom. This belongs around your neck, too.
No, that one is only yours.
She's safe.
She's safe.
I'm not crying. I've got something in my eye.
You came back. That's what really matters.
You were all there.
What did you learn?
Falling isn't failure. Getting up is the skill.
I've been waiting 30 years for a student like you.
You can't say no this time.
Lily, thank you. I mean it.
I checked your blades. That mattered, right? It really mattered. Thank you.
She handled this week so well.
We all did, really.
I always knew there would be something. I've been practicing this for 3 days already, actually.
Tom, he's been out there for 30 minutes.
My ice cream's bigger. Best day ever. Tom, that's not the...
Life knocked you down this week, Lily.
And I got back up. You can have my 3rd scoop. That's the nicest thing you've said.
She earned this. And today, I helped. That's enough. Next competition? 3 months from now.
I've already started the new routine.
We were expecting you. Come in. I want to say sorry to Lily. I've been sorry since Tuesday night, Lily.
I know. I'm not angry, Mia. Are you friends again? Can we eat now? Tom, get out.
The result stands. Chloe has been disqualified.
Good. Then it's truly official.
I've already started thinking about the triple spin now. I'm gonna be a champion skater, Dad.
I know. I've been waiting for that, Tom.
Bend your knees. Weight forward, Tom. It's harder than it looks.
Look at them. I'm keeping this forever.
Next season, I'll be training for senior. Are you gonna keep training forever, Lily? Yes. I've decided that already.
They're both going to be completely fine, I think.
The ice is waiting. I've been waiting for this.